Where do I start is, number one, obviously you need to educate yourself, but once you educate yourself, the steps are choosing what form of marketing or lead or advertising or lead generation is going to best fit me and my situation as far as my resources and my time and knowing me as a person. So when I started, number one, I didn't know it existed, right? Wholesaling. My friend got me interested in just creative ways of investing in real estate from a real estate class he and his now wife were taking. And the guy that normally showed up, he wasn't there, and the substitute talked about making money with real estate with no money. But I still didn't know. He mentioned it to me because he knew I was a wannabe entrepreneur from college. I don't know what he mentioned to me, but I didn't act on it. A couple of months later, saw an infomercial, got interested, went to a website, asked a question, does it really work? One person replied, hey, you should look up this guy, right? Bought the course, a bootleg copy of the course, let me just say that, and listened to it. So once I listened to the course, guess what I did? I took action. I did what the course said do. So that's where I started. So what I understood was, and this is simple, I think, for anyone, is that, yeah, you can understand the process, but nothing is going to happen unless you take action. And the action in this business is one or two things, or you can do them at the same time. Either start reaching out to actual investors / cash buyers to see what they want to buy, or you go out and find great real estate deals. So now how are you going to accomplish that? So how are you going to accomplish that? That's what I'm always talking about, is different ways of generating leads, which I sort of mentioned in the earlier part of this video, is that you're going to generate daily leads through driving for dollars, through cold calling, through text messaging, through direct mail, through Facebook ads, through Google ads, even door knocking, through other wholesalers, which is probably the least expensive. It costs you $0 to do that if you just wholesale other wholesalers' properties. So the name of the game is lead generation. How many people are you talking to on a daily basis that are, number one, own real estate, and also want to sell real estate? From that point, it has to just turns into a numbers game there, that at some point, even if you're the worst negotiator in the world, you're going to get someone to know, hey, you're going to get someone that says, yes, I'll accept this price, or give you a price that works for you. Now, how do you know what price works for you? That's part of the training or the information as far as when you're educating yourself, is determining what's a great deal or not. You have to be able to recognize that. Some of you all probably have had opportunities hit you in the face, but because you didn't do your homework on what's a great deal or not, you didn't even know it was. But I do know what does happen more than anything, because most don't do the homework on knowing what's a deal or not. You chase a lot of stuff that has no chance of being a deal. And that's what runs most people out of this business before they even do a deal, is because you didn't get that part of it, that you didn't understand what makes a great deal or not. That is everything. But guess what? Your boy got you. I share how to do that with you for free. Text the letters GD to the number 205-964-5243. That video is a foundation video to show you what makes a great deal or not. The GD stands for great deal. Also ARV, because that's part of what helps you to understand what's a great deal. Text the letters ARV. Guess what? Also have a calculator to help you with that. Text the letters DC for deal calculator, DC. Guess what? You need a repair calculator also to help you with that. Text the letters RC. But in that GD video, it's going to explain how to use both of those. Boom. So I hope this video helped. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at Ask Flipman. And you should see a video on the screen now that will help you with text messaging.